Assalamu alaikum, dear children. Welcome to ILM-O-MAJLIS Kids. Today, we are going on a special journey to learn about the very first human ever created by Allah, our Prophet Adam, Alayhis Salam. Long ago, before any people walked the earth, before cities, animals, or even time as we know it, there was only Allah, the one and only creator. Then, Allah decided to create a very special creation, a human being named Adam, Alayhis Salam. Allah made him from clay. He shaped him perfectly, with eyes to see, ears to hear, and a heart to love. Then, Allah blew into him his special breath, and Adam, Alayhis Salam, came to life. He was the first human ever. Allah taught Adam the names of everything, the animals, the stars, the trees, and more. Then Allah said to the angels, "Bow to Adam in respect." All the angels obeyed, but one did not. His name was Iblees. He was proud and said, "I am better than Adam. You made me from fire, and him from clay." Because of his pride, Iblees disobeyed Allah. So Allah removed him from paradise. Iblees became Shaitan, an enemy to Adam and all of us. Then Allah gave Adam a beautiful home in Jannah paradise. There, he lived happily with his wife, Hawa, also known as Eve. Allah told them, "Enjoy everything in Jannah, but do not go near that one special tree." But Shaitan came and whispered lies to them. He tricked them into eating from the forbidden tree. After they ate, they felt very sad and ashamed. They realized their mistake and said sorry to Allah. Allah is most forgiving. He forgave Adam and Hawa, but he sent them down to earth. Here, they began a new life. Adam became the first prophet, and the father of all human beings, including you and me. He taught his children to worship only Allah, to do good, to tell the truth, and to stay away from Shaitan. From this story, dear children, we learn, always obey Allah, stay away from Shaitan, and if we make a mistake, say sorry, because Allah is always ready to forgive us. Thank you for watching this story on ILM-O-MAJLIS Kids. We hope you learned something special today. Join our WhatsApp group to get more Islamic videos and learning content for children. The link is in the description. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ILM-O-MAJLIS Kids, where learning Islam is always fun. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.